Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by pinpointing the closest confirmed reference, a map marker or landmark. Once you have that, move deliberately, don't sprint. Use your light and camera to capture any odd symbols or triangular motifs, because Cipher often hides near visual clues. Make sure to mark your path on the map or with in-game notes so you can backtrack. If the area has multiple levels, scan from top down. That reduces missed sightlines and saves time when you refine your search. Now you focus on patterns and mechanics that reveal hidden objects. Once you spot matching symbols, circle that zone and expand outward in a grid pattern so you cover ground evenly. Interact with nearby switches, pressure plates, or light sources because small puzzles often expose statues. Make sure to pause and listen for audio cues. Subtle hums or clicks often follow the correct interaction. If multiple matches appear, prioritize those with layered clues. You're at the end. Perform the final interaction sequence slowly and deliberately. Align the symbols, place required items, or solve the concluding puzzle while watching for subtle movements or a reveal animation. Once the statue is visible, document its exact spot with a photo and a short note about the approach you used so you can return easily. If nothing appears, reload a nearby save or reset the area. Sometimes physics or spawn bugs block the reveal. Redoing the steps usually fixes it.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.